Let's find the perimeter of the triangle above. The sides of the triangle are 2 square root of 2, 3 square root of 2, and 1.5 square root of 2. Perimeter is the distance around the figure. So to find the perimeter, we are going to add 2 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2 plus 1.5 square root of 2. So now we notice that we are adding radical expressions. Since they're all square roots, we say that they all have the same index. And since the number inside the square root are all 2, then they have the same radicand. We can only add radical expressions if they have the same index and the same radicand. These expressions have the same index and the same radicand, therefore we can combine all of them together. To combine them, we just need to add the numbers in front. We call them coefficient. So we add 2 plus 3 plus 1.5 and we get 6.5. So we have 6.5 square root of 2. So how many square root of 2's do we have here? We have 6.5 square root of 2. This is the perimeter of the triangle. Now let's go to number 2. The sides of the triangle are 4 square root of 3, square root of 12, and square root of 75. Find the perimeter. Always express your answers in simplest form. So again, perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Therefore, in order to find the perimeter, we add up all these sides. So we'll have here 4 square root of 3 plus square root of 12 plus square root of 75. Well, they're all square roots, therefore they have the same index. However, the radicand are different. So here the radicand is 75, here the radicand is 12, and here the radicand is 3. So they have the same index, but they have different radicands. However, before we decide that we cannot combine all of them, we have to simplify first all of the radical expressions. So we will have here 4 square root of 3 because we cannot simplify this any further. It will just remain 4 square root of 3 plus square root of 12. This one we can break down 12. So we'll have here 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, plus square root of 75 is the same as 5 times 5 times 3. All right, so let's simplify further. So we'll just bring down 4 square root of 3 plus, but 2 times 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, and then we'll just bring down square root of 3 plus 5 times 5 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. And then we bring down square root of 3. So now we see that all these radical expressions have the same index and the same radicand. Therefore, we can combine them together. So we'll add 4 plus 2 plus 5, which will give us 11. 11 square root of 3. So here we have 11 square root of 3. This is the perimeter of the triangle.